So for our problem here, we need to know which graph best represents negative 5y equals negative 6x plus 15. So there's several different ways to actually graph this problem. Personally, I think the easiest way is to get these into slope-intercept form. So I want this in slope-intercept form. So that's going to be y equals mx plus b, where I know m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So I'm going to take this equation right here, negative 5y equals negative 6x plus 15. I know that I've got to get y by itself. Well, right now I have negative 5 times y. So in order to get y by itself, I need to divide everything by negative 5. So when I do this, my negative 5's cancel, and I'm left with y equals, two negatives make a positive, so 6 over 5x, and then positive 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. So when I'm looking at this equation, I know that my slope is whatever number is in front of x. So my slope, I accidentally put b. So my slope is whatever's in front of x. So it is 6 over 5. Then my y-intercept is my constant, which is negative 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look and find on my y-axis, remember that's your vertical axis, the graphs that cross at negative 3. Well, my y-axis, negative 3 is down here. Well, there's not a point there, so I know it can't be this one. There is a point here at negative 3. There's one here at negative 3, and there's not one here at negative 3, so it cannot be this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these. My slope is 6 over 5. It's positive. If you notice, on graph C here, this is a positive slope because you're going uphill. On graph B, this is a negative slope because you're going downhill. So your answer here has to be C.